am here to show you the new group tool that is available in Animationish. And this tool can be really useful if you have an object that's made out of several different lines, but you want to treat them all as one piece, one unit. So here I've got a stick figure. I can show you if I use the select tool, each of these lines is separate. And if I want them to all be together, then I can click and drag over everything, and then I can move them around together. But if I want this to continue to be one unit, I can now click the group tool, and you can see this line around it shows you that this is all one piece now. So even if I click out and unselect it, if I go back to it, it's all one piece. So I can move it around as one piece, or I can even change the size, and everything moves together. And this can be really nice when you are animating something where you want parts of it to move and you want parts of it to stay together. So for example, let's say we want this little guy here to have some arms, but we want the arms to be able to be manipulated separately from the body. So now let's duplicate this. And so when I go to get my select tool, now if I want to move him up, maybe he's trying to fly, maybe he's going to flap his arms and fly a little bit. So I'm going to move him up, and that's great because I want all of that to move together, but I want the arms to change. So it's good that I don't have them as part of that same unit. I can move them separately. Great, and now I'm going to duplicate that, and we're going to move him up a little bit more, and I want the arms to change. So now he's kind of flapping his arms and he's moving up while he does that. So let's take a look from our timeline. He's down there and he moves up. Now if I want him to come back down, I could draw that, or I can go down here and I'm going to duplicate this frame, and then I'm going to click and drag it here. So now if I loop my drawing I've just made, he moves up and down, and that was made easier by being able to manipulate his body as one piece. Now, if I decided I no longer want this all to be one piece, I can use that group tool again once he's selected, and I had to click it 2 times, but it'll ungroup. And so now you can see these boxes show each of the separate lines that I drew. So now I can manipulate them separately if I want to. Maybe I want to readjust where it is. And then I could click and drag over everything and group all of it. If I want to include the arms, I could do that. The other nice thing that I'd like to show you is, I'm going to ungroup that. If you are on a computer and you want to have some of these lines grouped but not all of them, then you can use the Shift button, the Shift key on your keyboard. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to Shift and click this, and it's going to take only the arms. So I'm going to group those together, and now only the arms move together. And that's a really nice thing to be able to do if you are on a computer. Use that Shift key. So that is the group and ungroup tool, and we hope that you enjoy it. We love to see what animations you create, so feel free to share.